Another upgrade. Let's go over to Etsy next. Up 4%. Another stock that really needs some help.
Yep, absolutely. We've got Wolfe Research upgrading Etsy to outperform from peer perform, $100 price target on the stock. They said the stock's risk reward is attractive at the current levels. The shares have underperformed peers year to date, and there's plenty of near-term uncertainty due to the weakening macro environment. However, they think the firm they think the company has many paths over the next 12 to 18 months for the shares to outperform. They said a recovery in discretionary spending when the macro improves in fiscal 2024 should accelerate the company's EBITDA growth from current levels. And, again, this is a stock we saw do extremely well during the pandemic. We've seen certainly a slowdown, since we look back at last quarter, revenues rose by just 7.5% year over year. It did beat estimates, but still not a big gain compared to what we've seen in the past. Some of the other numbers that have, been a concern for investors have been gross merchandise volume that fell 0.6%. They've seen the Etsy marketplace gross merchandise sales fall as well. Buyers have increased. That's been really the kind of the light at the end of the tunnel for a lot of investors out there, as they are seeing the buyers come back a little bit. But overall, the sales per buyer is continuing to decline.
Okay. Well, the retail sales this morning are encouraging, but Etsy hasn't really been the sector leader, so competitively losing a little bit of edge. $100, definitely a pretty lofty goal, would get us back to where it was before the earnings from July that sent the stock crashing down and gapping lower. All right, so two optimistic notes there.